Baked turkey meatballs. Prep time 8 minutes. Cook time 10 minutes. Yield 15 meatballs. Description: when it comes to weeknight menu planning, baked turkey meatballs reign supreme. Say hello to dinner ready in under 20 minutes from prep to table. Ingredients: 1 egg, 1/2 cup breadcrumbs, 1/4 cup Parmesan cheese, grated, 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon salt, more to taste, ground black pepper, to taste, 1 pound ground turkey thigh meat. To serve: parsley, chopped for garnish. Marinara sauce for dipping. Instructions: in a large mixing bowl, whisk together egg, breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, Worcestershire sauce, garlic powder, onion powder, Italian seasoning, salt and pepper. Add ground turkey and mix until just combined. Be careful not to overwork the meat. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Roll out meatballs roughly the size of golf balls and place on baking sheet at least 2 inches apart. Broil on high for 8 to 10 minutes, until cooked through. Serve meatballs with a garnish of chopped parsley and your favorite marinara sauce on the side.